How to split sections in Wix. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So basically, we're just going to allow our sections to be divided into 2 or 3 different sections so that we can put different contents side by side. Now we can't actually do this to the actual section itself. So instead, we're just going to add something else on top of it to make it have that aspect. So first, you would need to just go ahead and log into your Wix website and click on Edit Site on the top right corner. And we just basically want to go to the Wix website editor. So I'm just going to wait for this to load in. And once it does that, I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to do. Okay, so once you have your website editor, you just want to go ahead and go to the page that you want to add the split section into. In my case, I'm just going to add it to the home page. I'm just going to click on Add Section. This is just going to create the section here for us. And like I said, you can actually split the section itself so you can have 2 different sections side by side. Instead, what we can actually do to add some elements side by side is that we just want to go to the Add Elements section on the top left, which is the plus icon. Click on that, and basically the one that we want is strip. So just go ahead and click on strip. Now there are going to be different templates to choose from in here if you want to, or you can just go ahead and go for the classic one, which is an empty one, and you can just go ahead and design it to your liking. So I'm just going to go for the classic one. So I'm just going to drag and drop it right over here. So right now, as a strip, it is only a single section or strip, so we can't really add the different contents to it yet. In order to actually split it so that it is going to be split and has different columns, we want to actually click on the strip itself, and then we just want to go to layout. So just go ahead and click on layout once you click on the strip, and then you just basically want to click on add column. Once you do that, if you want to add more, you can also do so again. Just go ahead and click on layout, and you can add a column, but I believe you would actually need to click on the entirety of the, right here. So on the left one is where you'll be able to add another column like so, and add another one. I believe 3 is going to be the max. I'm not sure. You can actually add more to that. But yeah, you can also remove columns if you want. But anyways, once you actually did add the columns, in this case, it's 3 of them. You can just go to add elements here, and you can just go ahead and start adding elements to each column, and it's going to be separate. So you can just go ahead and go to image, for example, and then you can just go ahead and add an image to this section, that, and this, you get the idea. So basically you have 3 different columns to add elements to your liking. For example, let's just go ahead and add another strip down here. If we can just add a section, and we just click on add elements, we go to strip, and this time we go to featured here, and let's say this one. And now what we can do is just go ahead and click on it again, layout, and add column. And you can see now it is pretty much split into 2. So this is a way that you can duplicate things and make it side by side if that's what you want. But this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.